Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation and see how it's look like. You see its effect is beautiful. Let's see if we can create it or not. Okay, let's start. At first we need to create this slide. Let me just copy that and paste it here. This slide has something special. The important thing about this slide is these pictures and this text. So let's see how we can create this text. At first, for creating this text, you need to do something that's very easy. You need to select all the shapes we have here and give them some shadow. You format this object and give them the shadow you like. You are going with this shadow for them, or you can give them another shadow. After shadows, it's important to align them in the perfect way. What I mean, you need to send this to back at first, send this thing to back, send this thing to back, and then send this thing to back. Then everything is created, but you need to create this text. This text is using this font and this thing as a type format and then bold it. For this text, they are the easy text that we write in our rectangle, but the coloring of them, I do something special. What I do, I use one row of these colors. You can do another one. Let me just show you. For example, we want to recolor it. What I do, I go here from the darker one, like this, select, and then select this and select this thing, and then select this thing, and then select this. You see, it's all like the previous one, but in another color. You can do it. Now we create it for these shapes. How I do them, I write it and use Overdrive Sunset as a font, so create them. You see, everything is ready and you can change it if you want. But some of you may ask how I created this effect. Some of you may think this is the effect from here. That's right, I use this effect to create that. Now we copy this thing. Here we select all of them. And after selecting all of them, we go to shape format and we align them middle and, we align them center. But you see, the effect here is not right like that. So how we create the effect in the previous slide? You see, when we want here to increase them in size, you didn't see anything. So how we can create them? I will tell you. At first, we need to reduce this size to this much. Reduce them one by one. I know it's maybe annoying, but it's a work you have to do. You can select two of them and by shift reduce their size, and also reduce this size. But the problem is the text. So how we can hide the text? It's easy. Select all the text and just increase their size to 1. Reduce their size. And then for these things, we select them, all of them, and align them center. Sorry, I made a copy of them, align them center, and then I send them to back. Now everything is ready. We just send the transition to morph. Now the magic happened. If you like this kind of content, you may find many of them in my channel, and please like and subscribe and ask me if you need any things. Until then, bye.